Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share one of my favorite comfortable dresses with you. I am in love with this MEROKEETY women's 3/4 balloon sleeve striped high waist t-shirt midi dress. It's got pockets. I just absolutely love how comfortable it is. It's got a great fit. Like I said, it does have a little bit of a balloon sleeve, a nice comfortable round neckline, just the stripes just to give it a little something, and like I said, pockets, pockets, pockets. Just a nice chic look, super comfortable. I love that it's good for any season, different occasions. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, whether I'm wearing sandals. In the warmer weather, I can dress it up with a nicer heel or a better shoe and take it to nighttime. Even throw a sweater or jacket, just an all-around great comfortable dress. So I definitely think this dress is a closet staple. I love the length, I love the 3/4 sleeves, I love the little pocket detail, and honestly, who doesn't need a dress with pockets? I love everything about it. It's great for any season. Right now, summertime, it's gonna take me into fall, put a little jacket. Just a great, great, great closet staple. I know you'll love it and you need it in your closet, but that's just my point of view.